Are you on the hunt for a unique and thoughtful gift for the man in your life this holiday season? Look no further because we have the ultimate present that combines style, luxury, and a touch of old-school charm.
Something that my husband has been wanting for a really long time. That is a straight razor. It comes in this gorgeous wooden box, and inside it has all the terrifying goodies.
This practical, eco-friendly, and luxurious set has everything a man needs for a superior grooming experience this holiday.
It has everything you need, from the razor, the strop, the shave cream, the paste. It's a great kit.
Gifting the Solomon Straight Razor Kit isn't just about upgrading his grooming routine. It's about giving him a daily moment of self-care and elegance.
Check it out, give it as a gift, buy it for yourself, and enjoy a clean, smooth shave.
Shop now.